Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. My today's project is about how to create this super cute and super tiny miniature quilling tea set in a modern way. So can you see this tray? It's super beautiful. I have added lots of textures and created the background using different methods. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So here I am taking lots of waste strips. Sometimes we have some remaining colored strip and we don't know for what to use and how to use them. So for today's project I am using these waste 3 mm strips to create my project. So let's begin. Here I am starting with making the cup, and for this I am taking 3 strips. For today's project I am using 3 mm strips only, and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. So make a tight coil first. Here I have prepared 2 tight coils. This is made using 6 strips and this is made using 3 strips for cup. So the bigger one is for plate, and I am just opening it little bit from edge only. From the center it should be flat. Don't make a deeper dome. Just raise the edge little bit. And for the cup I am opening it using my fingers and making a deeper dome. Just flat the center using back side of pen. And the cup and plates are ready. Now I am just adding glue inside cup and plate, spreading it using brush and allow it to dry. Like this. Then here I am taking one strip of 1.5 mm. I have just cut my 3 mm strip from center and I am making a ring around my quilling tool. Just add little glue and your ring is ready. Now I am adding glue on top of this ring to make it more sturdy. Here I am making this ring to create the handle for our cup. So the ring is completely dried. Now I am just dividing this ring in 2 portions. So you will get the C kind of shape. Just bend it little bit and add glue on both the ends and stick with the cup. So your cute tiny cup is ready. And our first cup and plate set is ready. Now I am taking this tight coil which is made using 7 strips. Here I am starting with making the kettle. Now I am taking my blue bottle cap which is having approx 1 cm diameter, and I am wrapping total 5 strips around this to make a ring for top portion of the kettle. And this is done. The size of both the circles should be same. Now I am opening the ring and tight coil and making a dome shape. Then add glue inside both and connect with each other. So the pot for Kettle is ready. Here I have created the lid by using 2 strips. I have just created a small dome, and this ring is made using 1 strip, which should go easily inside the mouth of your pot. Now I'm sticking this ring with the lid, and we can fix the lid on top of the kettle. I will add one pearl on top of this later after drying it. Now here I have prepared one more ring for the handle using 2 strips, and the diameter of this is approx 2 centimeters. Now again I am dividing it into equal parts and sticking this with the pot. Like this. Then I am taking one strip and making one bended cone shape for the spout of the kettle. And it should look like this. So I have already prepared one and added glue inside the spout. Now I am connecting this with the kettle. And our cute kettle is ready. Here I have prepared one more pot using 5 strips for the sugar container, and this tiny tight teardrop is made using half strip for the spoon, and I have just created a small dome. And here is the bunch of some paper quilling strips gathered together for the handle of the spoon. I have just bended the tip of this stick little bit from top, and then I have stuck the teardrop with this. You can chop off the excess top portion if required. So my whole set is ready. I have prepared one more kettle with the same way just like we created the smaller one. This is for the tea and the smaller one for the milk. So for this kettle, for top portion I have used 7 strips, and for bottom portion I have used 9 strips. And rest the process is same to create the spout and handle, and also created the lid in same style. And in total I have prepared 4 cups. Now I am going to color each and every part of the set using white chalk paint from inside and outside for perfect finishing. If you don't have chalk paint, you can also use acrylic colors. So here the white coloring is done and the kettle will look like this. On the lid part I have added little golden color on the edge, and the top portion is colored using pink chalk paint. Here I have added the pearl and then colored with the pink chalk paint. And for inner part I kept it as it is. So the kettle is completely done with the coloring. Now it's time to add some transfer me design on this. So here I have fussy cut some rose pattern transfer me. This is a Deco Transfer by Little Birdie, and it's called Garden Chirps. So it is having lots of elements, and I have pre-cut some elements according to the size of my project. So just peel off the top liner and stick your Deco Transfer on the base. Apply water using paintbrush and stick it very well. Now simply peel it off little bit and then stick it very well using wet brush. Similarly, I have added one more transfer on back side, peeling off the top paper and securing it by applying the wet brush. So our Caitley is completely done. In the same way, I have colored the cups, and inner side of the cup I have done with pink chalk paint and added one small cute transfer design on this as well. And the plate I kept white as it is. And can you see this golden line on the edge of cup and plate? I will show you how to do this in some time. And here for the sugar container also I have added pink color inside this and added the transfer. And for spoon I have colored the bottom portion using golden color. Now I will show you how to make the golden edge line. So for this I am taking this gold marker and I am just doing the edge lining using this pen. If you don't have gold marker, you can also use acrylic golden color and make a thin line using pointed brush. Similarly, I am adding this color on the plate edge. And then I am just simply sticking the cup with the plate. So our set is ready. Now it's time to make the tray. Here I am taking 4 oval shape of white cardstock and the measurement is 12.5 centimeters by 9.5 centimeters. I have prepared these ovals using metal cutting dies, but you can also use a circle shape instead of oval shape. Now I am joining all 4 layers together to make a thick base. The sheet which I am using for this oval is having 250 GSM thickness. So after adding 4 layers we will get 1000 GSM thick base. So here I have added all 4 layers together and now I am burnishing it very well and sticking it very well with each other using bone folder and then coloring the top using buttermilk chalk paint to match with our tea set. Allow it to dry completely. Then our base is completely dried and here I am taking this beautiful floral stencil and this Crackle paste by Little Birdie. Just applying some paste using palette knife on this floral design. Just remove the stencil slowly and I'm repeating the same design in bottom corner as well. Allow it to dry completely and after drying can you see small cracks came automatically and it is the magic of the Crackle paste. It's looking very shabby and very vintage. Now on other 2 sides I have already cut 2 floral elements from the same Deco Transfer sheet and I am going to add these sheets on both the corners. So again peeling out the top sheet, that is the film, and sticking these designs. Applying the water using brush on both the designs. And then peeling out the top paper. So the base is ready. Now I'm taking 5 half cut pearl in large size and sticking on the back side of the tray to give it a dimensional base. Like this. Now I will show you how to make the handle for tray. So here I'm taking this paper strip which measures 7 by 1 centimeter. This is a simple printing paper strip and I'm rolling it and making a pipe kind of shape. In the same way we need one more, and now I'm taking one more paper strip, curling it little bit, and this measures 15 by 2 centimeters. Again make a pipe. Then I am sticking these two small pipes with the big pipe. Like this. In the same way we need one more. So I am just coloring this using pink color chalk paint after drying. So handle is ready. Now taking back the tray base, and I have just decorated the edge of the tray using some white color half pearls, and it's looking super gorgeous. Now it's time to fix both the handles which we have created. Like this. And then I am just taking my all tea set and I'm arranging on top of the tray. If you wish, you can permanently stick these elements on top of the tray, but right now I'm not sticking it, I'm just arranging it. So you can change the arrangement according to your wish. It's looking very cute. I'm just loving the color combination and the floral background on each surface. It's just awesome. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.